You ain't safe, you ain't safe, you ain't safe, you a turkey. You ain't safe, you ain't safe. Cook good and look good. What's up? It's your girl Queen Jones, back live in the flesh. And yes, this is another YouTube video on how to smoke a turkey. If it's two things I'm gonna do is smoke a turkey and some wrong channel. Anyway, so y'all, if you want to go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube page to be able to smoke your own turkey at home and have a whole Disneyland experience, some foul shiz turkey, you feel me? Go ahead and subscribe to me, your girl Queen Jones, and let's get to smoking. All right, we're here. All right, this recipe requires very little sugar. So this brown sugar I made probably in 2022 for my dad. We just need like 25 grams worth, okay? Bam. Oh, and I'm that good because I literally got 26 grams and I just had to put out 8 gram worth. It's like I work with pounds. Like I know that weight, baby. We're gonna add this to our lovely stainless steel pot. So I had to feature this Memphis style barbecue seasoning. I get this from the Dollar Tree, y'all. And it's accessible to everybody. So you're gonna put 50 grams of the Memphis style barbecue seasoning in here into the pot. 50 grams of salt. Yeah. So this that sauce, this that dressing, this that shepherd keef. Okay, so this my cutie. You can use whatever seasoning salt you like. This is just the more delicious, more healthier, and flavorful version of what I know my people need. You feel me? But do what you got, okay? You're gonna put 100 grams of this lovely cutie, aka whatever you got in your cabinet that has seasoning salt concepts and flavors. 100 grams of this cutie. Come on, baby. You got it. Done. Okay, yeah. Now, I'm gonna put exactly 5 grams into this pickling spice right here. I used to get this at Big Locs, and up here in the northeast coast, they have what's called Ocean State Job Lot, which is like Big Lots. And this is really good. It's like, it gives off what it's supposed to give. So we're gonna put exactly 5 grams up in here. And you wanna know what's up in here? Coriander seed, mustard seed, dill seed, allspice, chili, red chilies, bay leaves, and cinnamon. Girl, don't that sound like that's something you wanna put in any great brine? This right here, do we even say bay leaves anymore? No, don't say bay leaves anymore. But you're gonna put up these bay leaves, right? I know there's already bay leaves in the pickling spice, but we're gonna put about 4 or 5 of them. To this pot, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna put 1.5 gallons of water up in here. And you're gonna ask me, Queenie, how am I gonna get a gallon? I don't have nothing to make her no gallon. I don't even have no gallon water bottle. Okay, I get you. That's cute if you want to stay, you know, basic. But let me explain something. You see this quart right here? There's 4 quarts in a gallon. And now I know you even got some Chinese food once upon a time, like an egg drop soup or hot and sour soup, you know what I'm saying? Look a little familiar? Yeah, that's how you're gonna measure out your water. And you know what half of this is? A pint. You know what a pint is? 2 cups. Okay. Now you're gonna go boil this for about 30 minutes. Okay? And then you're gonna let it in your windowsill cool. Like we're in the movie Life, you know what I'm saying? And you are putting that pot on the windowsill. And hopefully the smells won't get to you. Don't forget to stir it up before you boil it up. Okay, so quick tips. If you want like a little bit more of a sweeter, savorier turkey, add about 50 more grams of sugar. All right. If you want a little salty, magulty, you know, a little bit of, oh wow, go ahead and add about 50 more grams of salt or seasoning salt. Okay, that's how it go. Okay, that's how you vary it up. Okay. And if you want a little heat, add about a tablespoon of chili flakes. Chili flakes. See, in about an hour and 30 minutes, folks. It's gonna take some time. What I have before you is 16 pieces of turkey steaks. Turkey steaks is whatever they chop up, whether it be the leg, the wing. It's not usually necks or anything like that, but I know this is really just predominantly leg and wing cut into these sawed out half-inch pieces worth of a turkey body. But nonetheless, that brine is cooling in the window. We're gonna add all of our turkey pieces in here, and we're going to let it stay in our Frigidaire for 8 to 12 hours. Probably a little bit more than that, because I'll be smoking this in the evening. Now, will you be able to catch it? We'll find out, okay? Our turkey. We're gonna pop this in the fridge, and we're just gonna let that brine intertwine. See you tomorrow. At the end of the summer, me and my sisters went to an amusement park, right? And I got me a smoked turkey leg, right? And it was dry and over salted, and you know, but it was worth it. You know how you be obsessing over a turkey leg when you go to an amusement park? That was me. But you know what I really wanted? I said, I want a little spice on it. I want a little bit more flavor, some robust savory combustion on the taste buds. So this is what that is right here. These smoked turkey steaks / wings, turkey body parts. I'm about to put it in my mouth. Okay, so this looks perfect. You see it, you see it. It's a little piece of a wing. Oh. As you can see, the smoked turkey is in a cast iron, right? And I put it on top of a bed of onions. Best decision I've ever made, y'all. This current place I am in my life, without dating the episode, some smoked turkey. Can go good as some greens right about now. Smoked turkey and some greens would be like, more delicioso, as I say. Alright, y'all. I love you. Y'all have a great night. It's your girl, Queen Jones. You just learned how to smoke a turkey, baby. All you jive turkeys know how to smoke one. Taught you. Bye.